Pine Labs welcomes you to learn easy steps of transaction flow for Pine Loyalty Redeem process on Pluto CDC. Step 1. Press any button to go to user menu. Step 2. Select Run application and press green button. Step 3. Press green button again to enter Pluto's menu. Step 4. Scroll up or down and select Pine 360 option on the terminal and press green button. Step 5. Select Loyalty and press green button. Step 6. Select Redeem and press green button. Step 7. Swipe card or enter mobile number. Step 8. Enter mobile number and press green button. Step 9. Enter the number of points that customer wishes to redeem and press green button. Step 10. Enter invoice number of the customer and press green button. Step 11. Enter OTP sent to the customer's registered mobile number and press green button. Step 12. Points is redeemed and charge slip comes with balance points. Points are successfully redeemed and confirmation is sent to customer via SMS. Please feel free to call our helpline number 0120 403 3600.